Welcome to Oli Health, the AI-first, all-in-one EHR and practice management system built specifically for allied health professionals. Everything your practice does, finally connected in one place. This is your profile, the settings that make Oli truly yours, from your photo and hours to your calendar and charting. All right, let's look at your personal settings, the corner of Oli that's entirely yours. Up in the top right, that circle with your initials is home base. Click to open your settings. There's a few options in here, but let's start with a favorite, switch practice. Here's the clever bit. If you work across two practices, Oli ties them both to a single login. No second username, no second password, no logging out and back in. One email gets you into both. Click through, and you'll see every practice you're a member of. Jump straight into one, then hop right back to your home practice whenever you like. Next, you can make this whole workspace your own. There's a light theme, a dark theme. Or switch to your practice palette to wrap everything in your clinic's own brand colors. We'll pop back to the default look for the rest of the walkthrough. Now the big one, your profile. Every user sets this up, and it all lives right here. Start with your photo, upload one, and it's how you show up across Oli and to clients on your booking page. JPG or PNG, up to 5 megabytes, and you're done. Below that, your phone number, the display name that shows throughout Oli, and your specialties, up to 8. Then your time zone, and this one's smarter than it looks. Set it once, and it carries across every practice you work in. Travel somewhere new, change it here, and your appointments readjust to your local time. So 2 o'clock always means 2 o'clock where you are. You can even pick the measurement units Oli uses for your own clinical entry. Let's head over to availability. This is where every clinician sets their working hours, and it drives your online booking, so clients only see when you're truly open. Flip a day on or off, set your morning and afternoon blocks, and it all auto-saves as you go. There's also a gentle guardrail. Warn me when scheduling outside my availability. So if a teammate books you outside your hours, Oli flags it first, no surprise appointments. Over in notifications, you're in full control of how Oli reaches you. For every event, new appointments, messages, tasks, billing, you choose in-app, email, or SMS, row by row. And that bell up top is your inbox for all of it. One click shows everything Oli's delivered. Now, calendar sync. This keeps Oli and your outside calendars in lockstep. Connect Google, Outlook, or any iCal calendar, Apple, iCloud, Headway, Simple Practice, Jane, you name it. Your busy times block your availability automatically, and your Oli appointments flow right back onto that calendar. You can share your Oli calendar outward too. Switch on the feed for a private, read-only link. Copy it into any other calendar and regenerate it anytime you want a fresh one. Video settings is your green room. Add a meeting background, then run a quick test virtual meeting. And last, patient notes blocks, one of my favorites. These are the building blocks for your charting. Screeners like PHQ, 9 and GAD, 7, vitals, diagnoses, and more. Toggle on the ones you use, and they're ready in your notes. There's a charting video that goes deeper. And that's your profile, entirely yours. Set it up once, and Oli shapes itself around how you work. And this is only the beginning. Welcome to the future of your practice. Welcome to Oli Health.